Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you stopped consuming sugar completely? Let's explore the transformative effects of this simple change, not just for a day, but over 2 weeks or more. The immediate changes. As we embark on this sugar-free journey, the first thing you'll notice might be the most visible: your face and midsection changes. Imagine your face, perhaps a bit round and puffy from the excess sugar in your diet, transforming as the days pass. This isn't just a cosmetic change, there's science behind it. Your liver, now relieved from processing sugars, starts burning fat. This shift not only alters your facial structure, but begins to slim down your midsection as well. Imagine the difference this could make. The science behind the sugar-free body. Once you cut out sugar, your body undergoes a significant shift in how it processes energy. Sugar and fat are the two primary fuel sources for our bodies. By eliminating sugar, your body has no choice but to turn to fat for energy. This not only changes how you look, but profoundly impacts how you feel. You're not just losing weight, you're reprogramming your body's energy system. The effects on organs. As the days without sugar progresses, 4 main organs in your body begin to show remarkable benefits. Kidneys. Improved function and reduced risk of conditions like diabetic nephropathy, as your kidneys are no longer stressed by filtering excess sugar. Eyes. Your vision becomes sharper and less blurry. This is because high sugar levels can harm the delicate structures in your eyes. Brain and nerves. Enhanced cognitive functions such as memory, focus, and mood stabilization. This is pivotal, especially for those managing conditions like diabetic neuropathy. Arteries. Reduced inflammation within can lower the risk of vascular diseases and improve overall health. The hidden truth about sugar and diabetes. Many people are surprised to learn how sugar intake can directly impact the development of diabetes. Cutting sugar can have immediate benefits for those struggling with this condition. It raises a critical question. If diabetes is fundamentally an issue of high blood sugar, shouldn't reducing sugar intake be a primary treatment? Less nighttime disruptions. Another noticeable benefit of ditching sugar? A good night's sleep. Reduced sugar intake means less nighttime urination. This is because less sugar in your bloodstream leads to less water being pulled into your kidneys, meaning fewer trips to the bathroom at night. Sustained energy and fewer cravings. Without sugar in your diet, your body continuously burns fat for fuel. This gives you a steady supply of energy and diminishes those nagging hunger pangs and cravings between meals. It's about switching from a quick-burning candle to a long-lasting fuel tank. The broader benefits. As your journey progresses, the benefits become even more profound. You'll experience less stiffness and pain as inflammation decreases. Your skin will look more transparent and vibrant as sugar-induced fluctuations no longer inflame it. The lasting change. Imagine walking into a room feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier. That's the potential of cutting out sugar. You lose weight and tackle the root cause of many chronic conditions, such as insulin resistance, which can significantly improve your overall health. Understanding insulin resistance. Let's delve deeper into one of the most critical aspects impacted by sugar: insulin resistance. This condition is where your body starts to ignore the insulin it produces, primarily due to high sugar and carbohydrate intake. Reducing sugar not only helps manage and prevent diabetes, but also improves your body's ability to absorb vital nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamins. The sugar-free experience. Imagine someone who has lived on a high-sugar diet for years, experiencing constant fatigue, mood swings, and health issues. Now picture this person 2 or 3 weeks after cutting out sugar, energized, healthier, with a renewed zest for life. This transformation isn't just theoretical, it's real and achievable. What the science says. Numerous studies underscore the benefits of reducing sugar intake, from decreased risk of heart disease to improved mental clarity. The scientific community continues to support the shift away from sugar. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about enhancing the quality of your life. Shared successes. Meet Mike and Mary, 2 individuals who embarked on a sugar-free journey. Mike noticed a significant improvement in his chronic knee pain, while Mary saw her skin condition clear up within weeks. The stories are not just inspiring, they're a testament to the power of dietary changes in our everyday health. Life without sugar. Imagine a future where you no longer rely on sugary snacks for energy and where your body thrives on its natural resources. This isn't just a dream, it's a possible reality. By reducing sugar, you're not just changing your diet, but your life. The health benefits recap. To recap, cutting out sugar can significantly improve your facial and body appearance, organ function, sleep quality, energy levels, and overall well-being. It's about making a choice that benefits every aspect of your health. Embrace the challenge. Are you ready to challenge yourself and experience these benefits firsthand? It's not just about saying no to sugar. It's about saying yes to a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you and encouragement. Remember, every small change in your diet can significantly change your life. Until next time, take that step towards a sugar-free lifestyle and discover the incredible benefits for yourself. That said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. We're here to support each other, and your feedback motivates us to create content that helps you reach your goals. Thank you, and see you in the next video.